Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azmi Haikal bin Razmi and I'm from TBA1145D. Now I will explain to you the introduction about our case study, which is what is operation management. Operation management is a focus on carefully managing the various activity related to the creation and distribution of product and service. So, what is the purpose of the study? The goal of studying operation management is to learn how a company efficiently use labor, equipment and material. So what is the method of our research? We will review all the business operation by having virtual meeting with the store owner using Google Meet to gather more information about the store operation.
Maksitioricafe is a company which involved in the food industrial processes involving food production, distribution, manufacture, transformation, preparation, preservation, transportation, certification and packaging. Maksitioricafe is currently managed by Muhammad Danish Koyu bin Zaidis and originated in Pahang. The company was initially started in 1987 and is currently still operating. Maksitioricafe has a restaurant where they sell order-to-made foods and food factory where they process frozen foods at all one address, which is B2 Lorong IM 14/30 Bandar Indramat Kota, Kuantan, Pahang. Maksitioricafe styles of channeling its both product is via face-to-face and virtually. As for Maksitioricafe, the company focused more on food processing types of the food industry, as its main operation are in selling frozen products such as frozen honey satay, frozen marinated lamb and frozen chicken curry.
Hi, my name is Syed Hakim bin Syed Putra Jamrulal. I am from class BA1145D and today I'm going to be explaining about product design. So let's hop in. So the first one is a family recipe that has been passed down since 1947. The owner mentioned that the recipe has been passed down since 1947 and there's been a lot of changes in order to make it able to be frozen, but the taste is still the same according to the recipe. So the next one is satay is now not just a food that you eat during the festive season. He mentioned that nowadays satay can be consumed at any time of the day, at any day, any special occasion, birthday, anything. That's why he opened a lot of shop in order to cope with the demands. The third product design is the satay is made out of the chicken thigh and marinated with special ingredient which is honey. He added that the honey elevates the flavor and it is different from its rival. So this means that people want to taste something different, something new. This is the satay that they should choose because of it has many secret ingredients and it is very delicious. So the last product design is to maintain the taste. The amount of time and they spend on R&D is a lot. The reason that he backed up this is because of the type of R&D that has been done is a lot of testing new flavors, herbs, in order to make it even better than the original recipe. But the original satay is still available for purchase, but there's also other product than the original satay, which is a new product that they come out with new flavors.
Next, the process strategy. They use product focus as their main process strategy. There is many criteria in the product focus strategy. The first one is the large quantity and small variety of product. As Maksitioricafe, they can create 3,000 to 5,000 satay per day, which is in large quantity for the customer order, and around 100,000 satay per day for 1 month. After that, with the special purpose equipment, same as Maksiti, they use the customized packaging for the satay that will be frozen. That means the packaging machine had been custom designed. Next is operation less broadly skilled. Also Maksiti, the employee come from a variety of educational background. That means you can apply for the job without a degree or a broad range of skills. Next criteria is few work order and job instruction. Maksiti have around 4 staff will be required to only maintain the equipment and make sure it's working properly. Next, raw material low relative to product value. There are a few secret components in their raw material as well as chicken thighs and cow flesh. As a result, frozen satay with premium packaging and taste is created. Next, finished goods made to forecast then store. Same as Maksiti, after packaging, the product is kept in a dedicated store with a constant air conditioner to keep it fresh. After that, fixed cost high, variable cost low, as Maksiti cost to maintain the machine is about 2,000 ringgit and it's higher than the material cost.
overall point of view, we can see how passionate that the owner is toward his love towards satay. He started with the idea of making satay that is frozen so that it is more accessible at any time of the day, with the vision of spreading the product across the whole of Malaysia. So thank you for watching.
Operation System Model (OSM) is the method of transformation input into output. The input transformation process, final output and the feedback are the four major components of the operation system model. Below is the OSM of the Maksitioricafe. For the input process, Maksitioricafe use a raw material such as sugar, honey, lemongrass, peanut and other spices in the satay to make a process. This material will also indeed to be used to upgrade the quality product. The second part is a transformation process. Maksitioricafe use frozen satay to be fermented using the ingredient that have been provided earlier during the night before the satay filling process in the carry out using workers and the satay skewer machine. 2 workers be assigned to ensure the satay has been prepared properly, ensure that satay is poking machine work in a good condition. Next process is a packaging process where the machine will start vacuuming the frozen satay. The third is output. For the output, frozen satay that has been packed and vacuumed through a place in a refrigerator or the cool area such as refrigerator or frozen truck and will be displayed to customer at the store. Buyer usually buy satay frozen from the freezer at the all Maksitioricafe branches. The last is the feedback. So Maksitioricafe collect their feedback from the social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and from the feedback, Maksitioricafe generate the criticism and improve their quality of product.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Izzat Syafiq bin Muhammad Syahril. So for this component analysis, the recommendation that we gathered can be divided by 2, which is from chapter 2, product design, and chapter 3, process strategy. So first, for product design, the company need to develop and find a new way that will reach the customer's knowledge about the product in order to make them know how to use or cook the product in the correct way. For example, improve product details on the packaging or online forums. Next, for process strategy, the company needs to organize the employee by dividing the employee to the right type of work according to their ability and knowledge. So, the employee will be expert in using the equipment, machine and material for each job given. Lastly, in conclusion, the operation management of this company is very structured and well organized. Managed by the CEO and the management team, we believe the company policies are very strict. The employees are very disciplined in following the rules and policies which have been set by the management. Next, the company analysis of Maksitioricafe is an opportunity for us to improve ourselves in management, especially in operation management. The input that we learn in this study will surely help us in the future in developing a company or business. We are very grateful to choose chapter 2, product design, and chapter 3, process strategy as our guideline in this assignment because it is perfectly suitable with Maksitioricafe. As a result, the progress of gathering information and important note in this assignment were done easily by all of our group members.